Hey guys, welcome back to Frequently Asked Questions, and in this video I'm going to explain to you how you can cancel a pending transaction on Capital One, okay? First of all, I want to point out that it's not guaranteed to cancel a pending transaction, but if it is a pending purchase, what you could do, you could ask a merchant to cancel the transaction and they may be able to cancel the order or, offer a refund or, store credit if they can't actually cancel it. Well, if you don't recognize any transaction, you can just immediately contact your bank, lender, or card issuer to report it as suspicious and suspected fraud, okay? And you can actually file a dispute. So if you want to cancel things like bill payment, what you can do, guys, is you can simply, okay, only if it's still pending and has not started processing. If you want to cancel a bill payment, you can do that. You can just cancel it by clicking or tapping that payment in the upcoming transaction area above your transaction history and just selecting cancel payment. So I hope this video helps you out, guys, and if it did, guys, consider smashing that like button as well as subscribing to Frequently Asked Questions, and I'll see you in the next one.